Welcome back to Farmmoy English. Today we're going to practice 600 natural English sentences, together with clear explanations and simple advice, so you can use them confidently in real conversations. Just listen, repeat, and absorb the natural rhythm. Let's begin. I really appreciate it. This means you're truly thankful. It's warmer than thank you. Use it when someone helps you, even in a small way. That sounds good to me. You're agreeing politely. This is softer and more natural than just saying, okay. I'll give it a try. You're showing willingness and openness. It makes you sound positive. I'm not sure, but I can check. A polite way to show you don't know something without ending the conversation. Could you say that again, please? A gentle way to ask for repetition. Tone is important here. Keep it soft. Let me think for a moment. Use this when you need time. It makes you sound calm and confident. Do you have a minute? A polite way to ask for someone's attention. I'm still learning, but I'll do my best. A great sentence for learners. You're honest yet confident. That makes sense. A natural way to show understanding. Let's get started. Perfect for meetings, lessons, or group work. I totally agree with you. Strong, friendly agreement. I didn't catch that. A natural way to say you didn't hear something clearly. I'm just kidding. Use it after a joke so people know you're playing. Take your time. A relaxed way to remove pressure from the other person. I'll be right back. Very common and casual. Don't worry about it. Use this when you want to remove stress or calm someone down. I haven't decided yet. Sounds more natural than I don't know. I'm on my way. Say this when you are heading to meet someone. It's up to you. Let the other person decide. I'm looking forward to it. A polite way to express excitement about something in the future. That's a good question. Gives you time to think. Good for conversations, teaching, or presentations. I'm not comfortable with that. A polite boundary. Let me know if you need anything. A warm, helpful sentence native speakers use often. It happens. A calm way to show mistakes are normal. I'll think about it. Use this when you need time before giving a decision. That's interesting. Use your tone to sound engaged and sincere. Can we talk about this later? Great for delaying a conversation politely. I completely understand. Shows empathy and emotional intelligence. I'm proud of you. A supportive and encouraging sentence for friends, family, or students. Let's figure it out together. A friendly, collaborative sentence. Now, let's continue with more practical, real-world sentences that will build your natural communication skills. I didn't expect that. Use it when something surprises you. Let me explain. A confident and clear way to start giving information. I'll take care of it. Means you will handle the situation. Very useful at work. Sorry for the confusion. A polite apology when there's been misunderstanding. You're doing great. A simple motivator to support someone. That reminds me of something. A natural way to continue the conversation. Can you help me with this? Clear and polite request. Just a moment, please. Use it when you need someone to wait briefly. I appreciate your patience. Use it when someone had to wait or deal with a delay. That's not what I meant. A gentle way to clarify. Let's try another way. Encouraging when something isn't working. I didn't mean to interrupt. Very useful when entering a conversation politely. Thanks for letting me know. Warm and neutral. Perfect for messages and emails. I'll get back to you soon. Professional and polite. That was close. Use this after almost making a mistake or avoiding danger. I think we should move on. Helpful during meetings or discussions. It's not a big deal. Used to calm someone who feels guilty or stressed. Let's keep going. Encouraging and energetic. Please feel free to ask questions. Perfect for any teaching or guiding situation. I'll check and let you know. A very common workplace phrase. I'll do my best. Simple and sincere. I didn't think about that. Shows openness and honesty. That's a great idea. Encourages others. I appreciate your honesty. Use this after someone shares something difficult or truthful. Let's take a short break. Helpful during meetings or lessons. That's completely normal. A reassuring phrase. I'm happy to help. Warm and inviting. You can count on me. Strong and supportive. I'll keep that in mind. A natural way to show you will remember something. That works for me. Means the plan is okay with you. I didn't realize that. Shows understanding after learning something new. I'm here for you. A supportive, emotional sentence. Let me double check. A natural way to verify information. I see what you mean. A phrase that shows clear understanding. That was very helpful. A warm compliment to someone's explanation. Let's focus on one thing at a time. Helps keep conversations and tasks organized. We continue in this rhythm until we reach all 600 sentences, each with explanations and real-life usage, creating a rich, natural flow, perfect for daily English speaking practice and shadowing.